प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में देवियों सज्जनों, आज है मुकाबला मुंबई महारथी और हरियाणा हैमर्स के बीच। पहला मुकाबला है मेन 65 यानी 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का। मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के हरफूल गुलिया। प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमूल में देवे सज्जनों, पुरुषों के 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं रजनीश कुमार। There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's the first bout men's 65 kilogram category muqabla, where we have Harful Gulia from Mumbai Maharathi. He's 26 years of age and he is, I believe, from the Navy.
Yes, in fact, both of the 65 kg players are from Chhatrasal Stadium, Delhi, and they train with each other. So it's going to be a brilliant encounter from where we had left last night.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, coming up, we have the other side, and that is Haryana Hammers, and we've got Rajneesh, and I believe both are working for the armed forces.
Yes, indeed, Joe. So you'll see a lot of discipline out there, but at the same time, they're swift and they're very agile. Again, as I said, we still can't get over the 65 kg bout yesterday between Bajrang and Haji, and we go straight into 65.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. With that whistle, it is going on right now. We have the orange outfit, which is quite synonymous with Haryana Hammers. And of course, it is yellow and blue, but with a red stripe at the back. That is Harful Gulia from Mumbai Maharathi. They are both right now grappling with each other. Oh, that was an attack move by Harful. Now, we need to figure out one thing here, is that they look exactly of the same stature. They look as if these are the two people and they spar with each other. So since they spar with each other, they would have the insight into whatever's going on in their constitution of attack, which they have written for their own self. Now, every wrestler has their own constitution. It is like the constitution is about their discipline, their lifestyle, their practice, their training, their diet. And that is something that they abide by it more than they believe in God, probably.
Yes, very well put it, Joe. They have a same kind of a set pattern and a set DNA which that they follow, and that makes them a little distinct from the other. Again, as I say, they practice in Chhatrasal Stadium.
No attacks.
And practice every day for 45 minutes. They spar with each other. So it's going to be very evenly managed, fought contest today.
Fight.
2018 National Championship gold medal winner Harful, and of course 2016 World Military Championship bronze medal is Rajneesh, that he has been into the World Military. Back once again, what we got to see was that there was a little scratch in the eye of Rajneesh, because of which the play was delayed a little. So coming back again. Oh, look at the crowds. The crowds are going wild here. We are at the Gautam Buddha University in Greater Noida, ladies and gentlemen. What a venue we have here. It's one of the international venues inside a university, which is worth For a second, if you just notice, look at that. There are times when it looks that they are straight, normal, and suddenly it looks like the footage is on fast motion.
That's the beauty of this 65 weight category. The lower the weight category, the swifter the attacks, and that's what you've seen.
But then again, a rhetorical question on that was yesterday. I think the lightest weight category has the least amount of points scored.
I think the attack did not conclude in getting points, and therefore that was the reason.
Could that be possible that the other person's defense was more stronger?
I think they were just shade better than each other,
Contact,
and that's why the game went into the last about 30 seconds.
Look at that! It's a normal motion, and suddenly you see it sounds as if it looks as if the camera has jumped and gone into a speed. Look at that!
Yes.
Look at that!
Amazing, amazing. This is one of the
Ladies
best.
and gentlemen, if you see that there is something abnormal with these two wrestlers, it's not. It's just that they have lightning inside. Oh, look at that! That was a brilliant attack, but of course, because he wasn't followed up, and that is why nothing happened. They're still grappling each other. Harpool's got an advantage. Now Harpool has opened an account for his team in the first bout. This is the first point, and this is the first kitty point for Mumbai Bharati. With that ring, it is the first bout, the first round, which has just culminated. With that ring of bell, they're coming back into action. Here in the combox, I have the CEO of Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra here. What kind of day are we expecting here, Sunil?
Stop.
Well, it's going to be one of the, again, a closest bout that you could feel, and suddenly you could see it in the atmosphere that it's very close, neck and neck.
One more time, I want my viewers to look at what they're seeing. Look at what they're seeing is the statement that these two gentlemen are not so gentle right now. These two wrestlers, look at that. Their biomechanics are normal, and all of a sudden, there's a bolt of lightning in them, and looks like the camera started moving really, really fast. This is the wonder right now. Still both the wrestlers trying to find a chink in each other's armor so that they can make a final attack. And yes, that is the attack by Haryana Hammers. Harpool. Harpool is attacked, and that Mumbai Bharati attack has brought him another two-pointer, and then there's a gated roll. Could not stay defenses and spread eagle. Rajneesh could not do that, and that is why it was one of those where there's been an advantage. Haryana Hammers still got to open their account. And right now, we have to see what happens in response from Rajneesh. Obviously, Rajneesh must have been instructed to be more attacking, and that's what he wanted to do. But then again, I think Harpool is a wee bit faster in terms of response to whatever he does.
In fact, Harpool knows the game of Rajneesh, who defeated Pankaj Rana by 16-0 in the first game. Therefore, in order to cut the offense of Rajneesh, Harpool has gone to the attack. And you could see him just pushing the envelope.
Red, white, red.
Right now in response, Rajneesh trying to find a way he could level the score and go ahead, because first important point in wrestling is you need to level the scores, to bridge the gap. Once you bridge the gap is the time when you attack for the next. So it's more like a two-stage process that a wrestler goes through. And when he gets that chance, totally depends on the other person, how alert or how lazy it is. One more time, it is Harpool's attack. He's grabbed the right leg and just turned behind. Is it going to be another point conversion? And yes, points have been converted one more time because of this attack by virtue of that. But this is in response where we had seen that one more time they're trying to get into a roll.
I think they've entangled themselves a bit too much on this. It looks tough. Harpool looks in control.
Harpool has gone on to 5 points, and that's complete all the points that have been earned here in this bout. Rajneesh still has to open it. Oh, and Rajneesh goes in for the right leg attack, and there you go. In response, he's gotten it, and now is he going to get some more? Decrease the lead from 5 to just 3. Brilliant, and now he wants to do a gator roll. He's pushed him outside. He's pushed Harpool out.
Well, the push out has resulted in 2 points, but as I said, this is going to be a very close tussle. They fought themselves with each other for the past 10 years.
No, it was a takedown, and you could see that, as you can see
Yeah,
there,
yes.
he went behind
Yes.
and crushed on Harpul. Now
5
let's see
seconds to
Harpul,
go.
5 seconds to go, and this is what is where we see.
Look at the
one more
attack
time is
by-
the attack by Rajneesh, and now Rajneesh wants to do that, but no, there's been a deadlock, and the clock struck 0. Hickory dickory, oh my Pahalwan.
There we see Harpul emerging as winner.
The referee makes it official, ladies and gentlemen. One more time, raising the hand. There you go. Harpul is the winner, and that is just by a very meager margin of 3 points.
मत ले पंगा।